My name is Kevin MacDonald, Chair of the Board of Directors for Goodwill, and I'm proud to serve as a volunteer with this incredible social enterprise. Every day, Goodwill changes lives for the better, strengthening families and communities through the power of work and the dignity of a job. Through our award-winning social enterprise, we do all this through a highly effective social enterprise model that diverts millions of kilograms of stuff from Alberta landfills. We recycle tons of unwanted plastics, metals, and other products as well. Why am I proudly associated with Goodwill? I have an older brother who was born legally blind. During a birthday party, he had an episode. That birthday party ended with him being placed in handcuffs in the back of an ambulance. 2 weeks later, he was diagnosed with being bipolar. I understand the challenges and barriers for someone with a disability to get a job. During this year's spring clean, and when you're straightening up your closet, consider Goodwill and donate your unwanted clothing and used household goods. It will make the difference in the lives of Albertans with disabilities. To each of you who regularly donate to Goodwill, thank you so much for making such a difference as you help us change lives for the better.